Hello again, my high-flying friends. Today, it's all about goggles and fire extinguishers. We're talking about flight safety.
Did you know that drones can be dangerous?
Rex, you wouldn't hurt a fly, you big softy.
True, it is against my programming to harm any living creature, on purpose anyways, but there is still a fair bit of risk associated with flying a drone. I am like a porcupine.
You are nothing like a porcupine.
Porcupines are majestic creatures. They're fierce, strong, beautiful, sharp, a little scary, and they require a fair bit of knowledge to handle properly. Tell me I didn't just perfectly describe myself.
I mean, there is some danger that comes with flying a machine around people, especially when the machines are capable of reaching high speeds. But I don't think you're anything like a porcupine.
Well, why don't you try picking me up while my propellers are spinning?
Because spinning props hurt when you touch them. They've even been known to slice fingers open.
Just like a certain animal's protective coat of razor-sharp quills? I rest my case.
In any case, unlike a porcupine, drones are predictable. And with the right precautions, safety procedures, and training, you can have a lifetime of drone piloting without a single accident. One of the most important drone rules is to always wear your safety glasses and to have a first aid kit close by.
No one wants a quill to the eye.
Before you even think about flying, make sure you know where the nearest first aid kit is stored.
If you're going to handle a drone, make sure the motors are off and the propellers have stopped spinning before you pick up your UAV to avoid any accidental propeller swipes.
Now, I know what some of you are thinking, and you're right to be apprehensive. But drones are actually super safe as long as you follow the rules, which is why Rex and I are going to teach you everything you need to know about drone safety before you fly for the first time.
Right. Along with being careful around propellers, it's also up to pilots to monitor a drone's battery.
A drone's LiPo battery is what gives it power. But if these batteries aren't cared for properly, there can be some catastrophic issues, which is why you always need to follow these battery handling procedures.
Don't let batteries get too hot or too cold. Don't keep flying after your drone tells you the battery is low. Don't fly with a damaged battery.
A battery which is too hot or running out of juice can damage itself, meaning the next time you fly, your drone won't be able to stay airborne as long. Bad news for anyone trying to maximize their flight time.
And a damaged battery can catch fire, so make sure you know where the nearest fire extinguisher lives. A bag of sand is also a great way to smother a fire.
And with LiPo batteries, we aren't talking a small fire. We're talking big, caveman grilling a brontosaurus burger fire, which I'm pretty sure is a problem in both your instructor's and a firefighter's eyes. Before flying a drone, make sure to check off all the steps of the pre-flight checklist.
Find a safe area to fly. Check that the drone's propellers are in tip-top shape. This means to replace any bent or nicked props and to tighten down any loose ones. It also means making sure the prop guards aren't blocking the propellers from spinning and that your propellers were installed the right way with matching types opposite of each other.
And always double-check that your battery is charged and free from damage. A puffy or cracked LiPo is a no-go. One thing to always be ready to handle is a runaway drone. If you ever lose control of a UAV, throw a blanket, towel, or sweatshirt over the drone to protect yourself from the props while you disconnect the battery.
Just like how you'd want to wrangle a porcupine. Check, mate.
Right. It's your responsibility to make sure you, your classmates, your instructor, and any bystanders are always safe. Always follow the safety procedures. Always.
With flight safety as your #1 priority, it's finally time to work on my favorite thing, flying a drone.
We'll see you in the next video. Adios.